Hello everyone, my name is Karan Mashru. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to look at the solution of the problem, that is swap the array elements. First of all, let us start by understanding the question. What does question say? Given an array ARR of n positive integers, the task is to swap the every ith element of the array with the I plus 2th element. So for every index I, we want to swap it with the I plus 2th element if it exists. Okay, and this we will do from index 0 to index n minus 3. Okay, so index 0 element will go to index 2, then first index element will be swapped with index 3, then second index element will be swapped with index 4. Now second index element contains 0 index element, but it will be swapped with index 4. Okay, so if I look here, 1 will be swapped with 3. For 2 there is no respective element at I plus 2, so our answer would be 3, 2, 1. If I look here, first of all 1 and 3 will be swapped because we start swapping the I and I plus 2th element from 0 index to n minus 3 index. So I will swap the 0 and 3, so 3 will come here, 1 will come here. Then I will swap 2 and 4, so 4 will come here. Now I will swap, here it was 1, I will swap 1 and 5, so 5 will come here and 1 will go here, and I had swapped 2 with 4, so 2 is here. So my output is 3, 4, 5, 2 and 1. Okay, your task is to complete the function swap elements, which should swap the each ith element with I plus 2th element. The expected time complexity is big of n and expected auxiliary space is constant. So how can we solve this problem? Basically, we can run a for loop for I equals to 0 to n minus 3, swap a of I and a of I plus 2. Okay, simple. Let's look at the actual implementation. So I have taken one iterator, and for I equals to 0 to n minus 2, I less than n minus 2 means it will go till n minus 3, and I plus plus swap array of I and array of I plus 2. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, so we have solved this question successfully. The expected time complexity would be big O of n because we are using one for loop, and there is no extra space required, so it is expected auxiliary space is constant. Thank you.